Hello, good afternoon. This is David Sutter talking to you, and today is my free daily signal for Monday, December 23rd, 2019, okay? And the signal I'm going to show you is for NZDCAD, New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar, okay? And if we look here on the 30-minute chart, which I base all my Telegram signals on, you will see that I have a strong signal to sell, okay? We have a red arrow pointing down, and technically it means it's going to go down, right? Well, actually, this signal came out 1 hour ago, okay? I posted this in my Telegram signal group, and the price dropped. It did drop. We can see that, right? 1 hour ago, since 1 hour ago. Now it has spiked back up again. So overall, this has been very bullish, meaning that, you know, the market is headed up. Now, the question is, will it break resistance? Will it keep going up, or will it actually come down? Now, if we look at the 1 hour chart, we have a strong arrow to sell, right? We have a strong arrow pointing down, and we see that we have a pretty strong level of resistance. We also see that we hit the same level of resistance before over here in this area and kind of this area. So it's like a W pattern, if you will. And when you have a pattern like this, we have a very, very strong chance that this will drop, okay? And that's not 100% guarantee. All these indicators are showing you that we've hit another level of resistance, a strong level of resistance that we hit before, okay? And that's all these indicators are showing you on the different time frames. If we look on the 4 hour, we see we have a strong level of resistance right here. It dropped and came back up to the same level. So based on the 4 hour and below, it should be dropping, okay? But even the daily, okay? But if we go to the weekly, this is what I'm worried about. The weekly shows it to go up, okay? And so does the monthly, okay? Well, the monthly doesn't, but the weekly in particular shows for this to go up, okay? And that, my friend, is kind of a problem. Okay, now it's not a huge problem because you see here we had a up arrow right here, okay, but we never formed a red arrow, okay, we never formed a down arrow. So we have a blue arrow again pointing up. So how far up will this go? We don't know, but based on historical evidence here, historical data, the last time it went up much, much higher than where it is right now, okay. So based on the weekly, it looks like we're going to be heading to an uptrend, okay. Now, from the daily going down, it looks to me like it's at a strong level of resistance. So here's what we do in this situation, okay. I will go to the 1 hour, go to the 1 hour chart. I'm going to draw a Fibonacci retracement from the last blue arrow or buy signal, and I'm going to draw a Fibonacci from there, pointing up to the current red arrow right here, okay? From this candle to this candle, okay? And all you have to do is go here to Fibonacci retracement and draw from there, going up like that, okay? And I'll put it like right there, okay? And if you notice that the price had come down and hit this level of support and bounced up, okay? Also, at one time, this was a level of resistance. Okay, the price that come up here, hit the resistance and bounced down. So, and same thing with this 38.2 level. This is a resistance form of support. Okay, and same thing with the 50 level. Each one of these levels was either a support or resistance at one time. So that is how the market is mapped out based on Fibonacci's. Okay, so what I would do if I was you in this case, and I would put a sell stop pending order just below the 23.6 right here, okay? All you have to do is go to new order, click on new order, choose pending order, and select sell stop. And then for the at price, you put 0.86, I'm going to put 950, okay? I can always readjust this, but I'm going to put 950 for right now. And then take profit, I'm going to put a 0.86 850. Okay, that's 100 pips. Watch this. Okay, we see here the sell stop pending order is a little bit below this 23.6, and the TP or take profit is a little bit above this 38.2 level. Okay, and if you look here at the line, right, it should say 100 pips. Okay, so according to MetaTrader, we are using 100 pips in this. Okay, pips and points is the same thing here. All right, so it's $75 profit based on a 1.0 lot size. All right, so that's pretty good, right? And really, that's all I would do. Okay, like I said, the bigger trend is bullish, meaning it's going to go up. So we know that this is definitely going to go up. Now, what you can also do is we see a level of resistance up here that the price had hit before. Okay, the price is here, but if it breaks this level of resistance, it's going to shoot up this next level, kind of like going in an elevator. Okay, and what I would do, here's what I would do also. This is kind of like a reverse stop loss, if you will, but put a buy stop pending order above the 0.0. Watch this. I'm going to put a buy stop pending order at 0.87 270. Okay, and I'm just using a tick mark right here. And then for take profit, I'm going to put it at 0.870 370. Okay, that's 100 pips again. Okay, and you notice here that buy stop is a little bit above this 0.0. Okay, and the TP is a little bit below this level of resistance. Okay, and if the price breaks, it's probably going to go back up to this level. Okay, at least this level right here. It's a pretty strong level of resistance right here. All right, so anyhow, we have two different levels, whether it goes up or down, doesn't matter. We're going to catch something up or down either way, and we know long term is definitely going to be going up. It has been going up for the last week. Okay, really strong. So it's probably going to continue going up, but for the time being, probably for the next 24 hours, we're going to see a drop, and then another surge going back up. That's typically what happens with these type of signals. When you have a certain buy or sell signal on a smaller time frame, but you have an opposite signal on a larger time frame. Okay, so you will see a drop and then another surge. Okay, so I hope this was informative. I hope you gained some value out of this. My free daily signal is NZDCAD, New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. It's a buy. Let me know if you have any questions or comments about this. I do my very best to try to help you every single day. Feel free to reach out to me on Facebook. There is a link below in the description of this video for my personal Facebook. Please contact me there first. Also, there is a link for my private Facebook group. If you have not joined my Facebook group, please do so. So this way you can post any questions or comments in my Facebook group. Okay? Thank you and have a wonderful day.